ngabuya ngithe mangifika ngibone kunemoto engayazi strange in my parking ngithi clubs I open my lounge sengithola mfowethu hawu kuseHawaii lana kahle labantu kunama-glass nama-wine konke sharp mangithi I'm going to what sengizwa ama-sound afani like crazy sharp yabona. Next thing is I'm going to ikamera lami mangithi click yo ngithi ngiyaswitcha on isibani
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rumamanga TV. We are back with another episode. Namhlanje siniphathele ubhuti wethu kodwa uzozazisa yena. Bhuti wami kunjani?
sawona mfowethu.
Yaphila bhuti wami. Bhuti wami ngisacela ubingelele ababukeli bethu emakhaya uzazise ukuthi ubani nokuthi uphuma kuyiphi indawo.
Sanibonani bafowethu manene namanenekazi wonke umuntu ngathi nje igama lami ngikwazi Sithole Grandshap. Out ekhulela eSoweto and along the way ngamuva into Midrand and ngageleza nje mostly lana eJohannesburg and then ngokusebenza ngamuvela to Cape Town and I still came back to Johannesburg mase kwi 2010 World Cup.
So kuba nini la khona uhlangana khona no ngizothi unkosikazi wakho noma ngizothi ex-wife wakho?
Yabona, just like I always attribute encwadini yami ngimbiza nge-XY.
XY.
Yabona, umuntu abuza what is an XY?
XY?
Yebo.
What is that?
Hawu kahle ngithi vele uyi-X kanjani ngoba usolve. 2 vele why did I date you?
XY.
Yebo ngoba lo muntu always leaves a question mark empilweni yami ukuthi you're my ex and vele siyazi ukuthi u-ex akasolveki and uphinde ube yi-why ukuthi of wonke amantombazane why ngakhetha wena and kubo bonke ngikhethe wena unjalo you still went on to break my heart the hardest, you understand?
But I'm sure ukuthi before nihlangana or the time nihlangana bekangasu XY.
Yeah, yabona, like everyone knows how to introduce themselves mfowethu ne. Akekho umuntu wakwafika wazikhuluma kabi. Akekho umuntu wakwafika ethi hayi mina ngiyabheda, yabona. Mina ngi-wrong 10. Akekho umuntu angavela akutshela ukuthi uyi-wrong 10. Everyone was on a marketing strategy and I fell for it. And at the moment when I met her, it was real. It looked like it was real. And it was well sold. Into engamenzela yona nje kumshayela ihlombe ngithi yo you're good at what you do. Keep it up, but don't do it to the wrong people.
So maybe masingabuyela emuva kancane the day nihlangana ukuthi pozizwa kanjani ngaye nanga the way relationship yini beyingakhona.
Like at the time when I first met her, like I was over the moon. Nami out mfowethu yabona. Like bekangishaya bekuthanda ukuthi kune line engilisebenzisa ithi ubekangishaya in between heart and stomach ngakwi pancreas mfana kithi akushaya kwenye iphathi yomzimba lapho umuntu ongacabanga ukuthi engakuthinta khona emalonini baba. Yeah.
Kwenzakale nge incident legcina kufaka edanyana?
No, like it was a fabricated incident because what happened was it was on the night. It was December the 1st, 2017. I still remember ngikhumbula
1st of December.
Yeah, it was the 1st of December, World AIDS Day. Yabona. Ngaphuma like as usual and I think it was a Friday evening food. Like I remember ngikhamba ngithi hayi ethi umuntu ayozama futhi try again yabona. Kanti yo ayaphela mantshontshe emsamo. So next thing umuntu angitshela ukuthi no, they have an office party what uzo lateanyana ngithi no, it's fine nami if you come late because the children were sent ungani beyihambise kuphi kwi-old lady lakhe yabona. Sharp ngazi ukuthi lo muntu okhele eplane yakhe bekayiplane la ehlela ukuthi no ingane maye kwi-old lady lakhe and everything. So Grandshap ayitshela ukuthi no, as usual lo muntu uzobuya after 12 or yabona after 12 or early in the morning, you understand? But ekwazi ukuthi what I'm going to do and wachecka waplana yonke into yakhe kanti God was always telling me ukuthi no man, this person will never behave like this. Yakwazi ukuthi umuntu when they've got a substitute for you ne, they start behaving in a particular way. Uyibuza ukuthi umuntu lona everything is a fight yabona. ukuthi umuntu usengalwela ukuthi why wena usuke ekamereni ungaqoka ngamaphaca wawuhamba ngamakawusi phansi ngibani uzowasha la makawusi yabona so into enjalo and so that's when as I go as usual and I had to come back because I had forgotten ama USB wami is the stuff most of the stuff whenever I manage the artist I always look after the production myself ukwenza ukuthi kusasa singafiki endaweni and now we have got nothing to showcase, you understand? So almost all the equipment used to stay with me. So I touch equipment as usual, but I forgot a few things. But like I wasn't too far upon ukuthi I couldn't make a U-turn and come back. Ngabuya ngithema ngifika eish ngibone kunemoto engayazi strange in my packing and as usual I come out mangifika mfethu like you ubone ukuthi no man there's something unusual yabona. So like mangvula like uthola ukuthi even the door was unlocked something which I don't like doing mina mfethu I never leave it's either I lock the burglar or I lock the main door itself ngabona no man there's something unusual here yena akangizwanga mangibuya and was not expecting me to come back home you understand so mangena ngithi clubs I open my lounge sengithola mfethu hawu kuse Hawaii lana kahle labantu kunama class nama wine konke sharp mangithi I'm going towards sengizwa ama sound afani like Grand Sharp yabona iTV liyadlala kodwa it's not too loud and all that next thing is I'm going to camera lamp because I like to keep most of my things in my bedroom I've got a small safe in my bedroom where I keep all the most important things especially into efana nama USB and all that mangithi club yo ngithi ngiya switch on isibani eish kuba nesiphithiphithi abantu abagijima bayabaleka bengaqokile
then moba fika endlini ubathola endlini wa reacta kanjani towards yonke lento leyo uyithola endlini yenzeka
obviously mfethu the first thing now we are shout I understand that you gonna like uyabona since this is like a family show angeke ngiwesho amagama exactly how I said them you understand uvela ukhuluma abo next thing kuba nesiphithiphithi like yabona abantu maba reacta bethola ukuthi and there was pushing and shoving you understand and into ekhona like mina ngithi yabona iTransport uNkulunkulu wayithatha I'm not able to run and all that and into aba iadvantage ayenza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi they managed to push me yabona ukuze ngibe out of balance even though ngazama ukuthi ngigrab ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu nombe when you try and grab them but you have already lost your balance and you have to recoup yourself from the ground and you understand and abantu bavele baphume ngesiphithiphithi umuntu ayishort and for worse for this guy he was the most embarrassing one ngoba yena wabaleka ngaqokile running inside into the complex into the night and that's when I had to follow ngiyabona and next thing babaleka baya kuphi towards the security ukuthi basize ukuthi enqande mina mase ngithola ukuthi yona le out yona ishadile who was doing all this nonsense with my wife and basebenza bonke kahle they work together and so kusho ukuthi lento beyenzeka sonke isikhathi mina ngibusy ngiyami
so layout uyaqala wona ukuyibona kwakho
no second time ngoba yafika ebuqaleni ngaze ngakhuza ngathi no layout inokunyatha nokudelela kancane ngicela please umtshele ngaphindezelana or else uzosithola so ngibona ukuthi okay beyifuna ukungeja bengathi nje okay sebeseyibona seyibusy seyicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngilahlile ngiyibhari yabona ngibona mina ngihlezi ngifocus ngengane yami and more than anything else like at that time yabona mina naye bekusekulela attention ukuthi I'm like yabona I was now in it for the children yabona bengasekho lapho kodwa just because for ingane yami I'll do anything sometimes yabona ingane noma ikhula like noma ungabheka ama show afana nekhumbulo ekhaya ingane will always ask the parent ukuthi what did you do you understand yabona so nami bengifuna ukuthi ngibe nempendulo ngithi yabona mfana wami I had to go through some nonsense for you to be okay namanje ngiyakwazi ukuthi ingane yami noma seyikhulile that's when I went on to do the book as something ukuthi I'll always write maybe like I never thought ukuthi I'll live up to this day yabona because stress ebenginaso namanje ngiphuza chronic medication like yabona so la sometimes ikhanda linokuduma like yabona so uzongathi so uyahlanya yabona and when you come to think about it uthola ukuthi umuntu no lendelelo is beyond ukudelela yabona kunokudelela and then kunokudelela okuphinde kathathu ka-1000 yabona. Kwesinye isikhathi ngize ngifisa ukwenza something drastic kodwa due to the fact ukuthi nginengane, nginabazali, nginabantu who look up to me, nginabashana, I understand. And sometimes ukuthi you need to know the consequences of what you're going to do. If it was not because of the consequences, to be honest with you, if benginamandla kaNkulunkulu ngabe kunento okudala engayenzayo kodwa anginawo amandla kaNkulunkulu, kodwa one day ngiyazi ukuthi wami uNkulunkulu kadakwa akaze evuke nepapalaza futhi uzoyilungisa lento.
Mabebaleka becela usizo sikwi-security nalo wakho ubaleka naye uhamba naye
babaleka like besihlale complexini, you understand,
naye lo mjidi uhlala la
cha akahlali lapho lo ubuye from ngaphandle. So like mababaleka baya eguard room yabona. So yikho ukuthi like labantu ngilandele sengiyocheck ukuthi no kwenzakalani lana, because le out yona iyabaleka that direction, lo nayo baleka this direction yabona. Ba separate ngiyafika lana kwe security, lona ucashe emva kwe security, hey please ngicela umnqande ngicela ukhuze le security kukubiza kwalo i backup. Lona ubhizi uyabaleka ngoba yazi ukuthi angikwazi ukumgijimisa, angikwazi ukugijima kahle kahle, I can't run because of my leg. Ngokufisa kwami ngaye ngifisa ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe nginesikhali noma isitina nyana ngisiphonse, kodwa like you can't throw rocks ngoba it's a complex 1, 2, there are windows all over and you can't, you understand. So even though like mfethu bengifuma ngiyi-1 yakubona like mfethu when you're smoking, you understand, like you know you're at boiling point mfethu, but there are so many things restricting you, and then that's when you think ukuthi maybe God was preparing me for this, ukuthi I would have done something drastic. Ngabe sikhuluma namhlanje maybe I'm in prison for a murder, you understand. To be honest, had I had the transport ngikwazi ukugijima, I think somebody would have died, but that wouldn't be me. Someone else would have been dead. But it's so unfortunate ukuthi I couldn't run, and it's so fortunate that I didn't do that. And yeah, understand ukuthi I would be a bad person umphakathini. I would have perpetrated the wrong things. I would have done things that I am totally against, stuff that I stand against, because I don't believe in violence. I believe fighting is for animals, and I believe ukuthi umuntu mase ukhathele nguye uyamxolisa uthi please, you understand. I don't believe in fighting, and I don't believe ukuthi like I should fight at any stage of my life. And especially striking a woman. I'm a guy who was brought up by a mother, and I'm a guy with sisters, and I wouldn't think ukuthi mina ngafisa ukuthi ngenze into enjalo emuntwini wesimami, nami nginabo sisi bami ngikwazi ukuthi their husbands will also feel ukuthi sebengakhona ukuyichuna lento kuma sisters wami, yabona. But at the time I was angry, umuntu ebengimfuna kakhulu ile out, yabona, ukuthi amadoda ayiphele siqede njengama out.
So kuza kanjani la ugcina khona manje sewusedanyani sewuyaboshwa kwenzakalani?
No, on the night bafonela i-backup security kwabo, i-backup security bona belokhe bebhizi bangirestricta. After that kwafonelwa amaphoyisa kwabuya ama-van ayi-2 lo out. In fact the time kungena i-van ye-backup, like ubekaphekha imoto outside outside the complex itself, and he had managed ngoba he ran away naked. Wabaleka, I think wangena emotweni wakubaleka kwakhe makufika i-backup ye-security. From there like there was commotion kwaze kwabizwa amaphoyisa attended to the scene. That's when they wanted to control the scene, sebafuna uku-understand ukuthi hey sis this and this and this, and then ukata nayo yabatshela ukuthi no, like lo mjidi ukhuluma ivar lento it happened, and the out he managed to run away and all that, yabona. Because la out he ran into the night bengakwazi ukuthi ngimgijimise and everything. And even namanje nokuhlala ngiyi-1 ngicabanga ukuthi but ngiphinde ngizikhuze ngithi how will it benefit my child, how will it benefit me, how will another criminal record make me a better person, you understand. And I always tell myself ukuthi yena what did he win? There's nothing that he won, and there's nothing that he benefited.
So mabekucharger bathi into wrong oyenzile wena?
No, like what happened afterwards, everything was cooled off by the police, and bangibuza ukuthi exes khiphani and everything. That's when I had to explain ukuthi no ngisiya Spanini kanje kanje. That's when they had to phone my friends amachita like ukuthi no chance there's been something incident, please come back, yabona. Yikho kubona like one of my friends had to come back wabuya azongithatha, had to fetch me, and then bathi ngomthetho abavumelekile ukuthi thina silale in the same house. Afterwards ukuthi I cannot come back to the house tonight or come back in the morning. At least lento we need to deal with it the next day, and we have to follow the proper channels, you understand. But separate bakhuluma nomngane wami bamcela ukuthi if everything, please don't allow him to come back to the house, and just get something ukuthi uzokwazi ukuchange nawe ekseni and get umsebenzi wakho like you said you're gonna do that, and then please ngicela ukuthi ulimbuye kuphi a police station. And they wanted me to come and open a case of trespassing for this guy. And at that time, I was still shaking and not in the right mind. Yabona. And so I think by the time Zuguti, this guy Usayon Sebenzini, and you can still open a case of trespassing, Wahamba Wayovili case here, common assault common, which cannot be, there's no J88 form. Assault common is something like Umuntu ngamshaya ngempama or umpush. You understand?
Yeah.
And the maximum for that is a 250 rand fine. That's if they can prove it, understand? Assault common. So ngithe mina ngingekho wasala a plan ukuthi okay sharp lo muntu but he can come and open a case of trespassing against you, and still there's nothing he can do right now. Yabona ukuthi state of mind yami, I'm still like in a state of disbelief and I'm still shaking. And I still wanted to do something drastic, but I don't know if I had to do something drastic. What was that drastic thing I was going to do? Because I'm not a fighter, mina ngokwami. I only defend, I don't fight. And I don't attack women. That's another thing that I never do. I don't believe in beating up women.
So icase yakushaya vele.
So no, icase hambi njalo like sharp. Okay, sharp. Next morning I had to come back. Kahle yabona amaphoyisa and everything. Khana sebangitshela ukuthi there's a case opened against you and all that. Ngathi sharp, you can do whatever you want. And I came and I collected my clothes. Yabona. Ngathatha impahla zami, like I needed a couple of things and more other things that I needed to work with. Khana bangitshela ukuthi you cannot be nibe in what you cannot ukuthi nihlale nonke since sekavule in a case for you and all that. So, but it's fine, come and collect your stuff. And I was given an opportunity to collect stuff, sharp. And like that was Uguti. And the previous night, really, I had called their parents, Ngabachela Lentolen. Ngababuza ukuthi yinto le ababayicele for inkomo, the cows that they were asking for, beyinto ababayicelelana le nonsense le ayithunwele ngani, you understand? And yabona, just needed to be away from anything and everything, yabona, because uSatan belokhu enhlebela amaqhinga, yabona. And nokakhuluma ethi nomfana, yabona uSatan yakukhohlisa mfethu, yakwenza isinonsense, kodwa you have to be strong, yabona. And because in life, you can never blame Satan for everything. Sometimes you have got to be a man about things and make your own decisions. In as much as you need to make your own decisions as a man.